Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw a princess, a cute princess. First I am coloring in crown and heart, red color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring its hair, golden color. Look at her hair. It looks so cute. Now I am coloring in crown, yellow color. Beautiful, it looks so pretty. Red color and her crown. Now I am coloring its face, skin color. I am coloring in neck and hand. Let's color its frock, dark purple color. Let's color its layer. Oh, look at my cute princess.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color in sleeves, light pink color. Another side. Let's color its tummy belt. Let's color in lower side. Let's color its shoes, pink color.
Subscribe us for more videos.